Hey you guys, come on into my kitchen. I'm going to be preparing an almost 9-pound Smithfield ham, fully cooked, gluten-free, hardwood smoked, with some good old pineapples, brown sugar, and the other seasonings that you guys are going to see me incorporate into this ham. So come on in and let's get started with this quick and easy recipe. That's going to be so delicious. All right, so as you see, I've already cleaned my ham. I have in the dish, it's bone in. And you know what we're going to do with that good old bone once this is all done. That good old bone going to go in some beans or some peas. Oh, yeah, because we cook soul food up in here. Now, as you guys see, we're going to go ahead and pick that ham up and put that, put those seasonings down underneath that ham. And we're going to sprinkle the same seasonings on top. We're going to get those pineapples and start using our skewer sticks and positioning the pineapples. And once we get those pineapples positioned on that ham, we're going to take that stick of butter and we're going to utilize half of that stick of butter. And we're going to take and put a pat of the butter in the holes of those pineapples. And then we're going to take that brown sugar and we're going to put that brown sugar over that ham as well. Now, y'all saw the list of ingredients at the beginning of the video. Those are the ingredients. They have not changed. The only addition I will do that you don't see here is at the end, I will sprinkle a little bit of the table grind black pepper on top. I will then seal it with aluminum foil, shiny side down. Make sure that you seal it all the way around. And then you'll put it in a preheated oven of 275 for 3 hours, or 10 to 14 pounds. If you got, our ham is almost a 9-pound ham. So you figure add between 10 to 15 minutes per each pound. But we're going to let this bake for 3 hours. But 30 minutes before time for it to come out of the oven, about 2.5 hours into cooking, we are going to take and baste it, leave the cover off, and then let it finish cooking for 30 minutes. And then it's all done, and you'll see as we keep on rolling. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. I'm going to have this full recipe on, as you're watching now, on our cooking channel, PromoSTK, Sheila Creations Way. And you can also watch the mukbang at PromoSTK, eating good in the neighborhood. Oh yeah, baby.